Okay, so today, guys, hey. Alright, so today we're gonna cover polynomials, okay? We kind of worked on some of this yesterday, but today we're gonna actually start kind of defining what these terms are. So let's start with number one. Everybody has their worksheet with them, right? Yes? Okay. So, first one we're gonna cover is, we're gonna define these terms. So the first example we have here is a 7x squared, okay? Now what did we say one of these represents? What do you call this? What do you call it? Well, the exponent is this 2 up here, but what do we call, remember I gave you examples and I said circle all the what? Circle all the what? All the, what do you call it? Circle all the terms, right? Circle all the terms. This whole thing is a term, okay? This is a term, this is a term, sorry. This is a term, yeah? Yes? Confused? Tell me now, number one. This is the only thing that's on number one, but I was just trying to make sure you guys were aware, okay? So if I circle this whole thing here, this is all one term, right? But now let's talk about what a term, you know, is assembled. What are the parts of a term, okay? So the first one is asking for is identify the coefficient. The coefficient is the number next to the letter, okay? That's gonna be your coefficient. So what I want you to do is you're gonna circle it and then find somewhere on your paper and you're gonna write coefficient. Coefficient. Coefficient, number one, okay? Okay, Francisco, where is my variable? Which one is my variable?
The X.
The X, that's right. Your variable is your letter, okay? So this is gonna be your variable. Variable, okay?
Where I write that?
Write it down. Circle it and write it down. This is your variable. Your letter is your variable. Okay? Okay. Bailey, where is my exponent? The 2. It's a little 2 up here. These are called exponents. Okay? Exponents. Okay? And again, all of this is going to form your term. Okay? Put a square over the whole thing so you know that a term is composed of a coefficient, exponents, and variables. Okay? Sometimes the term doesn't have an x, sometimes it doesn't have an exponent. If it's in an expression, we consider that an exponent. Right? So for example, if I were to rewrite this like this, plus 2x plus 3, even though this one doesn't have a variable, and even though this one doesn't have an exponent, because we're addressing an expression, these are all terms. This is a term, this is a term, and this is a term. Okay? So not all terms might not have variables and exponents. Okay? But again, if I'm asking for the coefficient, you have to be able, I'm going to put this on the test. It's the number right next to the letter. Okay? And exponents, which we're going to start using, are the numbers on the top. Okay? Now, Robert, for an Oreo cookie, Robert.
Yeah.
Does this variable, does this term have an exponent? Does this term have an exponent?
No.
No. Okay. You don't like Oreo cookies.
Yes,
Claire, does this have an exponent? No? What do you think? Does it have an exponent?
Yeah.
See? Okay. What's the exponent?
1.
Did you hear what he said? 1. That's correct. That's right.
See, I do me like an Oreo cookie.
Okay. Give you an Oreo cookie.
I said no, it's no exponents.
Go ahead.
Okay, start number one. Hey, give me the top out. Give me the top out.
Alright.
Good. That's right. Okay, what about this?
Is it really?
Let's see, who looks like they're gonna, okay, Emma.
Appreciate it, big on.
Emma, can you name me,
I spent.
what is the coefficient here? Emma, what is the coefficient? The number, what number is the coefficient? The 2. That's right. That is the coefficient. Good job. See, you guys are paying attention.
I dig it, right? You're playing on my downfall.
Okay. Let's see. What about, I'm gonna give you guys a trick one here. Okay. Can someone tell me what the coefficient and the exponent is of just an x?
It's one.
Rich, Camilo,
It's one.
what is one? What is one?
The X, the variable.
The variable is 1 right here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what about the exponent? What's the exponent gonna be?
I'm not sure what the exponent would be.
The same thing, if you don't see 1 here,
I know.
One.
it's also 1, okay? So 1x,
That's 11.
1x to the first power is the same thing as just x, okay? Yeah? Okay. All right.
So you got it wrong, you still get some real cookies.
I think
When I get it wrong, I know.
You got a whole roll of cookies. Don't think I forgot about that.
Whole roll of
See
cookies.
how it is.
What do you mean you see how it is? I gave him a whole,
Oh my
I gave
God,
I
stop
told
that.
him, take a couple, and this kid went and stashed them all in his backpack.
You offered it to me.
No, I did not. You lied. During study skills.
Study skills.
Okay. Okay, number 2. So that's number 1. Okay? I'll tell you what. Do number 2. I'm gonna give you guys 1 minute. And if-
Oh, yeah, I'm
I'm gonna go around here, and if I see that you guys got it right, you guys will get it. Okay? 1 minute. Robert, number 2. Try to see if you can get try to see if you can find me the coefficient, the variable, and the exponent.
I did it. 7x to 2x. If there's only 7x and the exponent.
How did you get what?
I need to get all those numbers for number 1.
I just made them up.
Oh, you just make them up?
I was just making up just to give an example of what terms were. Okay?
What do you mean by like, if we get it right? Like, they mean the 2?
You can cut it off, and then I'll